Guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you do not fix it on time, you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us until the end, we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a car. It could be any car. German, American, Asian, doesn't matter what it is guys. If you have a problem where you have wind noise, road noise, you wonder what can cause that, and sometimes if you don't fix it on time it can destroy your interior, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on future repairs. We'll explain what it is, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Every single car guys that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine, fuses, codes, transmissions, all that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Check out guys our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what can cause guys wind noise, road noise quite often? Now multiple things, but one of them, okay, can severely guys destroy even the interior of your car. What we're doing here on that BMW guys, okay, here we started destroying the interior and some electrical components went out as well because we developed a leak, air leak, and then it turned into a water leak, and all that was wet here on the back as well. The car was closed, we didn't even know it was wet, and that humidity burnt a few modules, so now we're in the process of replacing them. But what caused that now guys? A few things can cause it, but we see quite often on older vehicles, especially even some BMWs can do that, but other ones as well. Door seals guys. We just replaced these door seals. We're in the process of installing one on the back as well here. The door seals, you can see the new one, how puffy it is, you can see how flexible, okay, that's supposed to seal really good. This is the old one, right here, it's flat as a pancake. Check this thing out, it's completely flattened out, it has zero almost flexibility, and it's so smashed that it doesn't seal correctly. And what happens? You start leaking air, you hear road noise, but eventually you can start dripping water as well. Now, in some cases, okay, all that can happen if you have even perfectly fine seals, if your door is not adjusted, okay, you need to, if you want to see how to adjust the door, here guys, if you loosen these two nuts, bolts actually, you can move the latch a little bit to the inside so it can pull the door and close it a little bit more. And here guys, okay, on the front, you're going to have the hinges, and here you can move the door as well, okay, you can move it to where it's going to practically it can go back and forth. You cannot go this way or that way, but you get the idea guys, okay. Make sure that the door closes correctly. Another thing is the seal, and next make sure that your window goes all the way up as well. Sometimes you need to reset the windows on some cars to work like they're supposed to and close all the way. If you want to see the reset procedure on a BMW, we have the video on our YouTube channel. Another thing guys, okay, you might need to manually adjust the windows. Some of them have a manual adjustments. Once you remove the door panel, open the door, you have a couple of screws that it can adjust the window, okay, which way to be tilted as well, especially on the convertibles guys, or two-door like the E92 BMWs. But for most of the times, check your seals, and if the door is aligning correctly with the seal as well guys, that will be the one that causes road noise and wind noise as well. So guys, wind noise, road noise, just my advice, do not ignore it because it can turn into water leak as well, and that can cause quite a bit of damages. Especially the same thing happened to that BMW 5 Series as well that we have here, and it was parked outside. So fix it on time, otherwise it can cost quite a bit of money in the future. Now guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.